Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 28th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see markets closing higher. In fact, we got new all-time highs for both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Let's go through the numbers. The Dow finished higher by 132 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 16, while the NASDAQ was higher by 82 points, and the Russell 2000 finished higher by 13. The bond market continued to show some weakness here, while the yield on the 10-year note finished at 1.847%. Crude oil also lowered today on some weak Chinese producer price data. It was lower by 88 cents or 1.5%, while gold finishing lower by almost 10 points today or 0.6%. The dollar was also slightly lower today. Now, after market close, a couple of big earnings reports. Google, or Alphabet, up first, and it missed today. Came in at $10.12 compared to an expected number of $10.42. And after hours, it is down a little over 2%, or almost 26 points after market hours, while Beyond Meat came in and they beat handily, but they're still lower. In fact, significantly lower, down 8.3% or almost $9 a share. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.